from drone flyers recently. The peristaltic pump motor is very hot after using it for a while. It stops spraying. The problem is the abnormal speed or excessive flow. Now I will show you how to solve it. First of all, we need to remove the peristaltic pump. Cut off all the ties on it. Remove the peristaltic pump directly. Unplug all connecting pipes. Remove the 3 screws that fix the lower case. The lower part of the peristaltic pump was removed. This is a peristaltic pump motor and gearbox. This is the pump head below. Remove all the accessories on the pump head. Then remove all the pipes. The peristaltic pump of P100 Pro is double-deck pump. After removing the first layer of pipe, there is another screw under here. Remove all accessories. Then clean the bottom shell of the peristaltic pump. Use a smaller Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew the small screw that fixes the copper wood plate. Take out the copper wooden plate. You need to erase all the dirty things on it. Hit it hard like this. Find a way to get this bearing out. If it can't get out, just find something to pry out. Gently pry out the bearing. This is the hole after the bearing has just been removed. Now use a knife to insert it. Pour the corner hard on it. Scratch it for 4 or 5 rounds. Put this bearing back in place. Squeeze some Vaseline under this. Put the copper and wood plate back in place. Screw the small screw. Take out this kind of stick tube, then replace all the tubes with new ones. Be careful to install this peristaltic pump pipe. Just don't let the accessories get dirty. Clean up all the accessories. Don't throw this rotor rod on the ground. If you put the stick tube on the ground, it will catch dirt. Then after the peristaltic pump pipe is installed, it will be aged in a few days. When many people install it, this small accessory will be installed incorrectly. This is installed in the water inlet. Don't put it reversed. It's just 2 water inlets. After installing the rod tube, apply Vaseline. I saw that many friends put a lot of it. Don't apply too much of this. If you apply too much, it will be counterproductive. After the pipe is maintained, buckle up. Open all 3 screws that fix the lower case. Now the maintenance of this peristaltic pump has been completed. In the same way, do it on the other side as well. Fixed and maintained peristaltic pump motor. Tie all the ties. Now calibrate our spraying system. Let our peristaltic pump rotate a few times before calibration. Because we just changed the pipe, the lubricant inside has not been lubricated yet. Turn around a few times. After full lubrication, let's start the calibration. Follow the steps prompted. After S1 calibration, we calibrate S2. Fill with more than 18 liters of water again. Start. After calibration, click to finish. You can turn it down. Look at the health value. Under normal circumstances, it is about to 0.4. After the calibration, if you find that the deviation is particularly large, then there is something wrong with the pipeline.